Hey there, and welcome to this quick tutorial. If you're someone who prefers darker themes on apps, this video is for you. Today, we're going to show you how to enable dark mode in the Snapchat app on your Android phone using a few simple steps. Let's get started right now. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android phone. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. After that, scroll down and look for the option called App Appearance. Now, tap on App Appearance and you'll see three options. Choose the option called Always Dark to enable dark mode. Finally, Snapchat will prompt you to restart the app. Tap on Restart Now to apply the changes. Permanently. That's it. Your Snapchat is now in dark mode, making it easier on the eyes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.